Factoring expressions with fractional or negative exponents. Expressions with fractional or negative exponents can be factored by pulling out a greatest common factor. Look for the variable or the exponent that is common to each term of the expression and pull out that variable or exponent raised to the lowest power. These expressions follow the same factoring rules as those with integer exponents. So for instance, 2x to the 1/4 plus 5x to the 3/4 can be factored by pulling out x to the 1/4 and being written as x to the 1/4 times 2 plus 5x to the 1/2. In example 8, we're going to factor out an expression with fractional or negative exponents. So in this example, we need to carefully take a look at the two terms. We're going to factor out the term with the lowest value of the exponent. In this case, that would be x plus 2 to the negative 1/3. Now we notice the first term has x plus 2 to negative 1/3 already shown as part of a factor of that first term. Now in the second term, we need to break it down so that we can see that x plus 2 negative 1/3 is a factor. Now we can confirm that by looking at the following. Now recall that when you have the same base, you can add your exponents. So x plus 2 to the negative 1/3 times x plus 2 to the 1 power would be the following: x plus 2 to negative 1/3 plus 1. Now 1 is the same thing as 3 over 3. Having the same base, negative 1/3 plus 3 over 3 gives you x plus 2 to 2/3. So that's what allows us to see what is remaining. So it's plus 4 times x plus 2 to the first power times x plus 2 to negative 1/3. And now in step 3, that allows us to move to step 4 by factoring out x plus 2 to the negative 1/3 power. And what's remaining is 3x. Plus what's remaining over here is 4 times x plus 2. So now that we have factored out x plus 2 to the negative 1/3, we can then distribute the 4 to get 3x plus 4x plus 8, and then combine like terms. So we'd end up with x plus 2 to the negative 1/3 times 7x plus 8.